Welcome to Travel Gems, the YouTube channel dedicated to showing you the hidden gems of the world's most amazing cities. We're here to take you on a journey through history, culture, food, and tips that will inspire you to pack your bags and start exploring. We're passionate about travel and we believe that every city has its own unique charm and personality. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the romantic canals of Venice, we'll show you the sights, sounds, and flavors that make each city special. We'll introduce you to the local cuisine, taking you on a mouth-watering tour of the best street food, restaurants, and cafes. Whether you're a foodie or just looking to try something new, our videos will give you a taste of the world's most delicious dishes. But travel isn't just about food, it's also about immersing yourself in the local culture. We'll show you the best cultural events, festivals, and landmarks that every city has to offer. From the Eiffel Tower to the Great Wall of China, we'll take you on a journey through time and space. And because we want you to have the best possible experience when you travel, we'll also give you tips and tricks to help you plan your trip, save money, and avoid common tourist traps. So join us on our journey and discover the world's hidden gems. Subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video, because with Travel Gems, every city is a gem waiting to be discovered.